Welcome back. In addition to the content creation elements, Jasper does have some interesting elements that you can use in order to respond to different things that require content-based answers. You can see here that one of the templates that you have available is going to be one for Quora answers. We're going to click inside of that area. And we're going to be given 3 prompts. One, we need to write in the question that's being asked on Quora. Now, assuming that this is going to be a question that we are going to respond to on Quora, what we want to do is write the question into this area. What you'll then need to do is to write in information to include in the answer. You'll then want to write in the tone of voice. You'll want to determine the number of inputs that you want. Once you do that, you can then click the Generate button. And if you are a participant on Quora, what you have is you have the basis for an answer that you can begin to work with to a specific question. You can downvote some of the answers, and you can upvote the answer that you want. You can also copy the answer that you want into your favorite word processing software. So basically, what you've done is you've fed Jasper a specific question, and you've given it specific words that you want to find in the answer. You give it a tone, and then Jasper has given you an answer for you to work with to create on the medium Quora. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.